Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fenix 6 Pro to your phone. First, ensure your Garmin Fenix 6 Pro is charged to at least 50%. This provides a stable power source for the pairing process. Next, download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's App Store, available for both iOS and Android devices. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, as this is essential for wireless communication between the two devices. Once the app is installed, open it and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Navigate to the Garmin Devices section and select Add Device to begin the search. Simultaneously, on your Fenix 6 Pro, access the Settings menu, then Phone, and finally choose Pair Phone. This action makes your watch discoverable to your smartphone, initiating the connection sequence. The Garmin Connect app will now actively search for your Fenix 6 Pro. Once it appears in the list, tap on it to proceed. A unique 6-digit pairing code will then be displayed on your watch screen. Carefully enter this exact code into the designated field within the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Finally, confirm the connection on both your phone and your Fenix 6 Pro to establish the link. Should you encounter any issues during the connection process, a simple restart of both your phone and your Fenix 6 Pro often resolves common glitches. Also, ensure there are no other active Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the pairing signal. Once connected, you'll enjoy seamless data synchronization, receive smart notifications directly on your wrist, and customize your watch with various faces and apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.